Jiaxing KUNFINE Auto Parts Company Limited is specialized in automobile electronic tuning parts and accessories since 2014, such as Android car stereo, car DVD player, car roof monitor, CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, car reverse camera, and so on. Our company has advanced testing equipment for all function. Our products passed CE, FCC certification standards. We could accept ODM and OEM orders and also provide all products to internet celebrity and bloggers with drop shipping service. Welcome internet celebrity and bloggers from all over the world to contact us to provide high-quality auto products and services. Our products are exported to many countries. We have built good business relationships with customers over 20 countries. Our goal is to provide high-quality products and good service for all of our customers. Our brand, KUNFINE, has been recognized by customers from different countries in the world. Welcome to contact with us for more details. We are looking forward to cooperate with you together in near future. Our concept, safe, environmental fashion. Our culture, efficient, creative, share. Our values, harmony, dedication, thankfulness. KUNFINE brand. Green color represents our pursuit for green energy conversion. The symbol looks like a headlight which illuminates the front.